Good morning and welcome to this video game development series. My name is Toby Preacher and we're developing my game Oh My Zombie, the game where you are the zombie, and what you're watching right now is my morning routine. So this is what I do every morning and developing my game here. And let's actually put on some music there. Alright. So guys, we got stuff to do as always. And I open up my Trello where I keep track of all the stuff that is about to be done. Okay, yesterday I started to work on the spit attack. And I did the particle system, and today I want to focus on the code logic, maybe change the color over lifetime, and yeah, maybe do some graphics, but maybe I will just get with the default sprite. So we will see. Alright, let's see what we got so far. Oh well, actually, yeah, it's playing on Awake, but we can test it here. Okay, there's the particle system. This is what we got so far. And as I'm looking at it today, maybe it should be a little bit faster. Let me see. The duration is good. Start speed. Let's put this to 6. Oh yeah. I like that. But maybe I should also increase the gravity modifier, at least set it to 4. Is it falling fast enough? Yes, I guess. Maybe I should change it to 5. Oh yeah, that's better. So I'm planning to do this as a very powerful attack. This should be one of the most powerful attacks that will eat away the enemies. Okay. Play on Awake, we disable that. Alright. Well, I wanted to take care of the color of a lifetime, and I was not able to do this quite properly yesterday. So let me see. I set it to fixed color over lifetime. I don't see any color changing here. Maybe I have to change the start color to white. Yeah, that's probably it. Okay, I changed the start color to white, and then the color over lifetime is actually active. But I don't like what I see. So this is kind of weird. It's more looking like a random color is given, but not the color. Oh yeah, we have random between 2 gradients. Yeah. What happens if I say starting color is green? Let me try this out. Okay, starting color is green, something like that. And then I say here, this color is going to be brown. What is that? No, okay. Okay. Let's see. Whoa. Kind of ugly. Maybe I'm doing this completely wrong. Let me see, change this to white again. Now we got the brown. And then I say I got the color again, something like this. And we have it till here. Location. Oh. Okay, I see. What happens if I put the location there? Yeah, it's switching. It's like a heartbreak, so blend. I want to do a blend. That's actually what I want to do. Okay, let me try this. Yeah, that's better. Yeah. Okay, I will leave it like that. We can change it later, but that's okay. That is okay. So, we want to deliver damage to the enemies. So we need to edit the enemy script, enemy AI. Wake start, range check, run to blah blah blah. Enemy damage. Oh, while I'm seeing this, I think I want to redo the damage amount and behavior, because currently the enemies in the scene, let me see, the enemies right here, they got a health value, max health 41. In my opinion, that's way too much. I want to have it something like the player. So I set it to 4. The player actually has 5 max health. I set it to 4. And apply that. Apply all. Alright. Now the other ones should have... Yes, they have a max health value of 4 now. But what I also need to do, I need to change the amount of damage the player is delivering to the enemy. Let me see where I got this. That was some kind of weird damage and damage. Damage is 20. That's way too far. Way too much. Damage is 1. And let me also double check this. make sure I didn't have any other value in the editor. Player attack. Wait a second. Attack trigger is here, and yes, I get a higher value here, which means that this would overwrite the other value. Apply all. So I just want to test real quick and make sure the damage stuff is working. So in order to have it work right, the enemy should be taking 4 hits. 2, 3. Yes, and now he's dead. And the next one, if I do the throw bone attack, yeah, instant death. Okay, that's because I am delivering much more damage on the throw bone attack. Let me see. Play attack, throw speed, throw bone. Okay, I got this hard coded. Play attack, throw attack. Oh, it's in the throw bone, I guess. Yes, I am delivering 10 damage. And now I want to damage only by 1. Subtract 1 health point. Okay. But what I wanted to do is scripting the damage receiving in the enemy AI script, which I will do up here after the update method. Private voids on particle collision. I guess this is the one that I need. Let me check. On particle collision. When on-particle collision is invoked from a script attached to a game object with a collider, the game object parameter represents the particle system. That's fine. The collider receives at most 1 message per particle system that collided with any given frame, even when the particle system struck the collider with multiple particles in the current frame. Okay, it will only deliver 1 message. That's fine. To retrieve detailed information about the collision caused by the particle system, blah blah blah. Okay, I don't need that. Okay, let's see. What do I want to have? I want to damage enemy damage, and I want to deliver 3 damage points. That should be working, but also to make things easier for now, I add a debug.log. And I call it particle hit. So if there's something not working, I can see if the event gets fired or not. Did I save? Yes, I did. Alright, let's test. Oh, I forgot something. I forgot the most important thing. Can't test this right now because on the player attack we need to define a method that gets called when I'm doing the split attack. Okay, we do something like if input dot let me think about get key down. And I want to have left mouse button. Oh, what was the get key down dot no. Let me see. Key code dot not left arrow. Oh, it's mouse 1. Okay. All right. Then I say split attack. Of course, we have to write the method. Private void split attack. Alright, there we go. So, what I need a reference to the particle system. And that's the... let me think. This is attached to the player object, so... Private particle system. Particle system. What? Okay. On awake. Particle system equals game object dot get component particle system. It should find the particle system for us. Okay, and split attack particle system dot emit. Oh, this is a outdated method. What should be used instead? Holy shit. Start? Is it start? Okay, particle dot system stop is no, it's simulate. Is it simulate? There it is. Play. I think this is what we need. Let's try. Okay, no, nothing is happening. Oh. Missing component, there's no particle system attached to the player game object. Oh yeah, I get this because it is a child object. And it is on the 4th place. So I have to change the script. Transform.getChild. Game object dot transform dot get child, and it is 3 dot get component particle system. This one should be working. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. There is the particle system. Okay, let me maximize on play. I want to see this in a close-up. There we go. And I can spam a infinite amount of particles. Oh, look at that. That's an issue. Do you see that? It is moving with the player. What the heck? Okay, I will fix that later. But let me first see. Oh yeah, look at that. It's an instant kill. Wow, this is a powerful weapon. But I didn't want to to kill the player instantly. I want to I wanted to damage him for like, wow. Did you see that? Whoops, whoops. Okay, I definitely have to detach. I have to detach the particles from the Play-Doh object. After they get emitted, I have to see how I can do that. Okay. Oh yes, and we got lots of particle hits. Wow. All right. Let me see. Enemy AI. Remove the debug.log. How can I prevent that he's getting struck by multiple particles? Because you see, I want to have the particle deliver a damage minus 3 health points and then remain 1 health point. But that's not working because the first particle is delivering minus 3 health points and the next is instantly killing him. And since there are about 30 particles to spawn in that moment and hitting the enemy, it's an instant death. Well. I could work with booleans. With booleans and a timer. But I really don't like this thought. Okay, I could use something like that. Oh, look, I got German quotes here. This was one of my first scripts. Timer which makes sure there is only one damage hit per particle emission. So I will rename this. Oh no, I don't do that. Particle timer. I don't know why this occurs. Ah, okay. Let me see what I'm doing here. If particle timer is bigger or equals. Okay, then I have to set the particle timer to 0f. Particle timer plus equals time dot delta time. If particle timer blah 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 milli-interval is bigger than, bigger or equals to 5. But I don't want to hard code this, so it should be max health. Okay, if particle timer is... Oh, what the fuck am I doing? Oh my gosh. Oh, maybe I can grab the other get component. Particle system. Is it emission rate or is it duration? Why is duration outdated? What is it called now? It is outdated, but I don't care. I use it. Use main what? Particle system duration is outdated. I have to do some research. Particle system duration. This is the new one. Public flow duration, the duration of the particle system in seconds. You can only set this property when the particle system is not playing, yeah. Get component particle system. Particle system dot main. Dot main dot duration. Let me see. Dot main dot duration. All right, that's it. Okay, what I'm saying here, if the particle timer is bigger or equals, then I'm grabbing from the game object that has the particle system on it, which is given here. I take from that the component particle system, and then I grab the duration of the particle system, and I say if the timer is bigger or equals. That will not work. I want to have 1 damage delivered at the beginning, and then no more. By the way, I have to remove this. Take that one, put it in here. If the timer is bigger. Oh, I know how to do it. All right. If I need a boolean for this, I got a float timer, but I also need a boolean. Well, bool got hated. Okay, got hit it is false. No, I can't set this here. I have to be careful with that. If God hit it. I say I deliver the damage. No. Okay, what I'm trying to do here. What I'm trying to do here, if the collision occurs, there is this boolean got hit, it is set to false. Then, if it is false, I deliver the damage. Then I said got hit is true. And then the particle timer starts to run. And if the particle timer is bigger or equals to the duration, got hit is set to false, and the particle timer is set to null, to 0. But there is a problem with that, because every time this event gets called on particle collision, the boolean got hit will be set to false. And that's a problem. I have to take this boolean out of here. I have to put it up here. I don't like that, but well, private bool got hit. For boolean for preventing receiving multiple damage from spit attack particles. Got hit, it is false. Okay, let me see if this is working, but I guess not. Because I think the timer will not run. Well, it is actually working so far that I can't do any damage to him. Oh wow, look at that. Actually like that. Look at that. That's great fun. Party. Spitting party. Okay. As I thought, the timer is not working in here. Okay, I have to put the particle timer up here. Let me just rename it particle hit timer. Timer for limiting the particle hits. All right, particle timer. Particle timer. Particle timer is 0. What the heck? Oh, here. Particle hit timer is 0, and then I will do the actual timer on the time.delta time. And every time I enter that on particle collision, I set the timer to 0. Oh my gosh. I really don't like that. So this event gets called and the particle time is set to 0. I can't do that. Because every time I set it back to 0, and then this code will never get true. I can't, but I don't know. I don't need to set it to 0 because the particle timer will get set to 0 in here. So I can remove that. That should be working. Alright, let's test. There we go. You can spam the vomit.
Make me dumb.
Wow. It's actually not working. What the heck? What the heck? Man, this is annoying.
Fresh meat.
It's again the instant death. But why? Let me think about it. Got hit it is false. So it's delivering 3 damage. And the setting got hit it to true. Then it checks if the particle timer is bigger than the duration of this, which is 5 seconds. And then got hit it is set to false. And the particle hit timer is set to 0.
You know, trillions of years from now, the universe is going to get awfully cold. We think the universe is headed for a big freeze. All the stars will blink out. Stars will cease to twinkle. It'll be very cold.
I think I know what's missing. I should set the hit particle timer. Particle hit timer to 0.
There's only one way to escape the death,
There you go.
and that is leave the
Now it should work.
and perhaps we can start all over again.
Make me dumb.
No, it's not working.
Give me the fresh meat.
Well, but almost. I saw there was a first hit,
Make me
and then the second, and then the third one. Well, it's still not working. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should do something else. I got the particle hit timer. What if I say something like float by the way, I should set those to private. Time since last hit. Time since last hit.
Werde YouTube Music Premium Mitglied, damit gehören diese und andere Werbeunterbrechungen der Vergangenheit an. 30 Tage kostenlos und anschließend nur 9,99 € pro Monat. Jederzeit kündbar.
Okay, I would say let's test this. The party hit timer. Maybe I don't need that. Alright, let's test.
Make me dumb.
It is not working. Wow, this is getting crazy. I'm making it more and more complicated. Okay, let me think. If God hated is false. And the current health is bigger than 0. I get damaged. God hated is set to true. Get a damage. That's it. I will set those 3 to serialize. Come on. Serialize field. so I can actually watch them. I want to see them in the editor and actually see what's happening. Let's play. Alright, I got her selected. Here's the particle hit timer. The time since last hit. And got hitted is false. Alright, let me see.
Make me dumb.
That was fast. It was actually too fast for me. Do I have the next one? Yeah. Particle hit timer. God hit it is false. Now it's true.
Crush me.
Seems like she's getting
Make me dumb.
hit while the God hit it is not true. It's not false. Why is that? The only part where it's getting damage is here. That's the only part. Okay. I will do a debug.log. Not hated false. I want to see if this is getting set false. Because that's what I think.
Make
Yeah.
me dumb.
Yes, it is. And that's the problem. That's actually the problem. I want to see what this value is like, and then I will set this to 5, which means 5 seconds. And let's see if this is working. Now it's working.
Dev.
That is, look here, it is 0.5, and that's the reason why. Oh, it's the duration. Oh my god, that's my fault. Okay, guys, this was stupid. Alright, I'll show you what I mean. I get the split particle system here, and I set the duration to 0.5, which means a half second. But I was thinking that I am grabbing this value, start lifetime. Let me see if I can grab this value. Not duration, but start lifetime. Dot main dot start lifetime. There we go. Let's see. There we go.
Dev.
And where is my start lifetime? Oh, this is a weird lock. Particle system plus maximum curve. What the heck? But it is working. Well, I don't know. Min-max curve.
In der neuen Musikstreaming-App von YouTube kannst du nur mit ein paar Textzeilen Songs suchen. So findest du endlich diesen einen Song. Jetzt die YouTube Music App herunterladen und YouTube Music Premium kostenlos testen. Es gelten Einschränkungen.
Okay. Wow. Start lifetime that. Oh, come on. Maybe it's this. I need to have a float value, so I guess constant max will do the job.
Make me dev.
There we go. It worked. And what do we have here? 5. Yes, it is. It is what we need. Alright, it's working. Fine. I don't like hard coding things, so if I would set this property to 5, then I have this value hard coded. And every time I change something here on the particle system through the start lifetime, it will not automatically adjust this. I would have to go in here and actually change that, and that's not good. So guys, that's pretty much for today. I'm gonna stop right here. I thank you very much for watching. I see you next time, and always remember, stay amazing and have fun with developing games. Bye, have a nice day.